the way that event was organized, it was an all-day event covering different aspects of entrepreneurship, which incidentally was the theme of the event. There were panel discussions, there were interesting keynote speeches, and there were a couple of very hands-on workshops that everybody out there really liked it. Oh, one thing that really caught everybody's attention was a pitch it up segment where a bunch of different startups came in and shared their technology and their product in 3 minutes or less.
The event started at 8 o'clock with breakfast and registration, and at 8:45 we had a welcome note by the president, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal, after which there was a keynote speaker at 9 a.m., Mr. Gaurav Dhillon, who is the chairman and CEO of SnapLogic, and he's also the co-founder and former CEO of Informatica Corporation. During his keynote session, Mr. Gaurav Dhillon shared his inspiring story after immigrating to the United States, how he set up his own company. After the keynote speaker, we had our first panel, which is the Emerging Trends User Experience Redefined. After this came the most exciting part of the annual event, the Pitch It Up segment, wherein 10 different companies presented their ideas, their companies, and their products in front of the entire crowd, moderated by two veterans of this industry, Mr. Naeem Zafar, who is a serial entrepreneur and also a professor at Haas at University of Berkeley, and by Mr. Ramani, who is the VC at BioShastra Ventures. Some great feedback and very blunt deliveries were made by these moderators, which helped not only the entrepreneurs presenting, but also the crowd about what to expect when you're really pitching your product. After this segment came our second keynote speaker for the day, Dr. Ashwin Ram, who is the research fellow at PARC and manager of the Augmented Social Cognition area, focusing on social computing technologies. After the second keynote speaker was the time for a break. So we had an Indian buffet lunch. The break was about for an hour, which also provided ample networking opportunities to the participants at the event. At 1 o'clock started our Startup Boot Camp, a wonderful workshop which talked about 7 steps to a successful startup. This was presented by Mr. Naeem Zafar. He teaches at the Haas School of Business at the University of California, Berkeley, and he's also the founder of StartupAdvisor.com, wherein he advises entrepreneurs and assists companies with funding. During this workshop, he provided a simple but a very thorough 7-step methodology. Followed by this workshop was a panel on social entrepreneurship. Followed by the panel discussion, we had Shweta Khandelwal, one of our immigration lawyers, who provided some tips on immigration initiatives for foreign entrepreneurs. The event ended by our closing keynote speaker, Mr. Kirk Adams, the president and CEO of the Lighthouse for the Blind Incorporated, based out of Seattle. The event ended by announcement of certain raffle prizes and a closing note by the president, Mr. Pankaj Agarwal.